Grammarly is one of the most popular AI writing assistants out there, but is it the best choice for you? Before you make a decision, here are 12 important things you need to know, especially when comparing it to other tools on the market. The first thing to consider is its core functionality, grammar and spell check. Grammarly's strength lies in its ability to catch mistakes and offer suggestions for improvement. But when compared to competitors like Pro Writing Aid or Hemingway, Grammarly shines with its ease of use and broader range of writing suggestions. Other tools may offer in-depth analysis or readability suggestions, but Grammarly provides a more user-friendly experience without overwhelming you. Next thing, it has a built-in tone detector. This feature analyzes your writing and offers suggestions to adjust the tone based on your intended audience, whether you're writing a formal email or a casual blog post. Competitors like Ginger or Language Tool do offer tone checks, but Grammarly's is more intuitive and accurate. The third thing to know is its integration options. Grammarly integrates seamlessly with browsers, Microsoft Word, and Google Docs, which makes it an excellent tool for those who need real-time suggestions while writing. Some competitors like Hemingway lack browser extensions or integrations, which could be a deal breaker for many users. The fourth thing is the plagiarism checker. Grammarly offers a plagiarism detection tool that scans your content against billions of web pages to ensure originality. While this is a great feature, it's important to note that the premium version is required to access it. Other tools, like Quillbot, offer a similar feature, but at a more affordable price. Next thing, Grammarly's premium plan. Grammarly has a free version that provides basic grammar and spelling corrections, but the real power comes with the premium subscription, which unlocks advanced features like vocabulary enhancement, sentence structure improvements, and genre-specific writing style suggestions. If you compare it to tools like Pro Writing Aid, Grammarly's premium pricing might seem steep, but it does offer a more polished user experience. Another point to consider is the writing suggestions provided by Grammarly. These suggestions range from grammar fixes to style recommendations. However, while these tips are useful, they can sometimes be a bit overbearing, especially if you don't want to change your writing style too much. Competitors like Hemingway offer more basic editing without suggesting a complete overhaul of your voice. The seventh thing is Grammarly's ability to detect and offer improvements for sentence clarity. This is especially helpful for people working on academic papers, business emails, or any document where clear communication is key. Tools like Pro Writing Aid also offer this, but Grammarly's implementation is generally more streamlined. The eighth thing is the vocabulary enhancement feature in the premium version. Grammarly gives you word suggestions that help improve your vocabulary and diversify your language. While this is an excellent feature, competitors like the Hemingway app focus more on simplifying your writing, which could be better for certain types of content. Next thing, customer support. Grammarly's customer support is responsive, but it could be better. Some users report delayed responses or difficulties finding quick solutions to problems. In contrast, tools like Pro Writing Aid offer better customer service with more options for users seeking help. The 10th thing you should know is that Grammarly works best for native English speakers. While it does have some support for other languages, the quality of suggestions drops significantly for non-English content. If you're working in other languages, competitors like Ginger might serve you better with broader multi-language support. The 11th thing to consider is Grammarly's mobile app. It's great for editing on the go, and it syncs well across devices. However, if you're a power user, you might find it limiting compared to full desktop versions of competing tools, which offer more features. The 12th thing to keep in mind is its privacy policy. Grammarly collects and stores your data, which can be a concern for some users. While the company claims it's for improving suggestions, if privacy is a major concern for you, other tools with stricter data protection policies may be worth exploring. In conclusion, while Grammarly is a solid option for many users, especially with its advanced grammar and tone checking features, if you're looking for a more comprehensive tool or one with better privacy policies, you might want to consider other solutions. If you want a better option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.